waffle and Mickey waffle. The mini one. Bouncy platter for breakfast. At Port Orleans, they have this shirt. It says Stars and Stripes Forever. It'd be beautiful for the 4th of July. So we are leaving Disney soon. We don't have air conditioning, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. But here's a beautiful view of Disney Springs. That wasn't so beautiful. So yeah, it's nice outside. Hopefully it won't be too hot. But who are we kidding? It's Central and South Florida in the summertime. It's my little doggy. She came on vacation with us. She's really cute, really sweet. She's a good girl. She's hot, but we're getting her water, so yeah.